Are you struggling to find a supplier that sells in-demand products at wholesale prices? The SaleHoo Directory is here to help. Using the advanced search filters, you can quickly slice and dice through over 8,000 legitimate suppliers until you find the perfect one. Here's what you can expect from the SaleHoo Directory. This is your dashboard. Let's say you're interested in appliances, want low competition, and want to get your data from Amazon. If we click a product, we can see the details about the product, potential suppliers, and listings that are similar in nature. You can even view the original product. If you like the product, you can save it or you can compare it to other products to see whether there is a better deal out there. If you're looking for trending products, you can check out the product trends page to find suppliers and similar listings for any trending product that catches your attention. As you can see, SaleHoo is user-friendly and offers valuable data for you to discover reliable suppliers and do effective product research. So, what are you waiting for? Try out the SaleHoo Directory today. With the SaleHoo Directory, you can find suppliers and save your favorite ones. The SaleHoo Directory also has a built-in product research tool that can help you discover and compare products, save product ideas and search filters, and allows you to even identify product trends. Let's take a look at our directory first. You can search the product you want using the search bar, or you can browse the various categories available to you. Let's say you want to explore the clothing and fashion category. You can view that category by products or suppliers and filter products and suppliers by the type of supplier, where they are located, whether they ship worldwide, how much their minimum order is, and more. Before even choosing a supplier, you can see some quick details about them, such as whether they ship worldwide, what type of supplier they are, and the short description about them. There are also some quick actions you can take, like contacting the supplier, saving the supplier to your favorites, and adding a note about them. Let's take a look at this supplier, Ultimate Shield Apparel. We can see what they are about and their reliability by checking how many years they have been in business, many years they have been with SaleHoo, and other details. If you want, you can visit their website and add a note about them. Add a tag, have an overview of their business, view their product catalog, and take a look at their information. If I like the supplier, I can easily save the supplier. You can view your favorite suppliers, products, and searches anytime. We have a built-in product research tool called Market Research Labs. When looking for products, you can filter by product type, sell-through rate, average price, how high their competition is, and where the data is coming from. As you can see, SaleHoo is user-friendly and offers valuable data for you to discover reliable suppliers and do effective product research. So, what are you waiting for? Try out the SaleHoo Directory today. Link is in the description for a discount.